My name is Bob Marks, and I'm a knee surgeon here at Hospital for Special Surgery. My practice is limited to knee surgery, including kids with open growth plates who need meniscus or cartilage surgery, ACL surgery in kids and adults, other ligaments, and also knee replacement surgery in adults. Patients may have different goals. Some people want to just resume a normal active lifestyle, where others want to return to a sport or maybe a professional athlete earning a living at their sport. And it's important to take all those goals into account when taking care of patients. It's been shown in orthopedic surgery for almost every operation that the first operation has the best outcome as opposed to revision surgery or redoing the surgery. So surgery must be done precisely and exactly the very first time, and I take that very seriously. I believe each patient is unique, and people with the same problem may require different treatment strategies, whether it's non-operative treatment or surgery. So I like to explain it to them in some detail, review images, and then discuss the pathology and review treatment plans after a thorough discussion. I've been involved in research, writing, editing, publishing for many years, and also attending national and international conferences, which enable me to stay at the forefront of knee surgery and be up to date on the latest techniques and technologies to offer patients to get the best outcomes for them. Early in my career, I was fortunate to get involved with ISOCOS, the International Society for Arthroscopy, Knee Surgery, and Orthopedic Sports Medicine. Over the years, I've become very involved with them, serving on the executive board, and through that organization, I've made friends with knee surgeons around the world who've allowed me to learn from them and become better at treating patients and taking care of knee problems. I feel very fortunate to be a knee surgeon here at Hospital for Special Surgery, working with amazing people at this institution to provide what I feel is the highest quality care. To be able to take care of patients here and do this work, I just feel very lucky.